Hi everyone, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw actionable insights from the Clerk Chat Analytics page. To start, I'm going to head over to the Analytics section in Clerk Chat by clicking in the sidebar. And this is where I can dive into the analytics of how many messages are being sent, how many messages are being received, who's sending them, which phone number are they coming from. So to start with, I want to see how my sales communications have been going for the past month. So I'm going to select the last 4 weeks. You can see that gives me the last 4 weeks. And I want to choose my sales inbox. So I'm going to select that there. And I'm not going to narrow it down by member. I just want to see my overall sales communications sent. And so great, we can see that I've had 3,000 messages sent in total, and the breakdown of outgoing versus incoming relatively similar. And I can see this as a visual representation week over week, how this has changed. Okay, cool. Now I want to compare this with my previous period to see how this has changed. So I can click that and you can see that we get little comparison indicators here. And from this, we can see that our communications have effectively doubled overall, almost doubled overall. And this is pretty evenly split between an increase in outgoing and an increase in incoming messages. And so this data gives me the insight that our sales team are communicating more with leads, and our leads are also communicating more with our sales team. From here, it would be interesting for me to see how this corroborates with other data. For example, how has this influenced our time to close? Are more messages being sent because we have more leads? So this data can spark those conversations, but also gives me the insight that we're generally communicating more with our leads. I'm now going to do the same for our support team, and I can do that by changing the inbox, deselecting sales and going on to support. And great, I now have again this week over week representation. You can see that largely the amount of outgoing messages are a lot more than the incoming messages. And secondly, I can see that our overall amount of messages have gone down since our previous quarter. So this gives me the overall insight that our support team are doing well. Either our product has less support issues, so they're getting less messages in total, or it takes less messages to resolve an issue. So these two insights are great, and I can take these to the support team and talk to them about that. And from this data, we can create a strategy to go in the direction we want. And then next quarter, I'll be able to review this information again, or next month even, and see exactly how that strategy has taken place. So this is how you can use Clerk Chat's analytics page to create data-driven insights to inform your strategy. Thanks.